What's up, everybody? Got the Aureday or Aureday or whatever it's called phone tripod because the last one broke because it was so crappy. The minute you try to tighten up the little hinge that stops it from moving, it broke. So I'm trying not to show my address here, so bear with me while I open this package with one hand, because that's what this is actually for. So I can do this stuff for you guys without having to use one hand. So let's take a look at this guy right out of the package. Got the box within a box. Man, it is really hard to open these things with one hand, but that's literally what this is for. Alright, well, I guess that's going back now. So part of it fell on the floor right here. Looks like the part that you mount your phone to. Looks like we got a pretty hefty tripod, which a lot of people complain because this was heavy when you want to just do selfies and stuff. But like, dude, if you get a cheap one, it's not going to be light. I mean, you're going to have issues with that. I had it. Mine was like 3 ounces. It broke the second I tightened up that right there. It couldn't handle the weight of the phone, so it immediately broke when I tried to put the phone on it. And here's the phone interface. So that screws on right here to the end of this guy. And then once that's tight, so I do mostly landscape stuff. So now the phone should be able to go, I'm just breaking everything today. Should be able to go right here somehow. I don't know how you open up this guy right here, but that needs to open up because I have a larger phone. So let me check that out and see how you do that, and I'll be right back. All right, got the tripod connected. It's pretty heavy, like a good amount of weight on this guy. And so you can see now that I'll be able to do some videos with you guys. And maybe I could probably also extend this so I can get a little bit farther out. But this is the first time I'll actually have a tripod that I can, and it's tricky because you have to look over here. If you look at the camera, it looks like you're looking away from the screen. But so this feels solid. It actually has a good amount of weight on it. So I feel comfortable like putting that out there. And it looks like, so this is in, you know, the camera's flipped around to the mode where it sees me. And I think that this will be no problem like doing, you know, I like this thing a lot. So I'm going to flip it around now and do some other stuff and see if you guys like it. It's a habit. I look to the wrong side. The camera's right here. All right, so got the nice tripod now for the videos. So this is the packaging. Came with a remote Bluetooth starter button. Don't know how that works, but got some instructions here. All right, so step 1, pairing. Turn on the remote with the power switch located at the side. The blue LED light will flicker. All right, let's see. So we're supposed to turn this guy on. Let's see. Yep, okay, now what? Turn on your phone's Bluetooth settings and connect UB size. All right, let's try that. All right, got the remote paired. So now we have two settings here. We got an Android. So if you have iOS, you have a different button, which is hilarious. Like you have to have an entirely different button. Let's see if it works. So we should stop in 1, 2, 3, stop. Yeah, so stop. No, but stop. All right, so I'm recording again. Here's the remote. I'm going to try to stop it. Negative. Okay, so it says step 2. I'll probably miss something. Okay, step 2. Open your phone's camera app. Press the button associated with your phone's operating system. If your camera does not respond, it may not be compatible. So I guess it's not compatible. So I guess I can't do this. A lot of people. Okay, Samsung. Go to camera settings, volume keys function, and choose record video. Open the native camera. Click the iOS button, not Android, and start the video. Click again to stop. Let's see. Okay, so that did stop it. I'm going to stop it again and try to start it. Wow. Okay, so the so the iOS button works on Android. So please tell me how that even is a thing. So there's the remote and the iOS button. 3, 2, 1. Yep. So the iOS button works on Android, which is freaking hilarious. I love it. So we do have the new remote, which I will post a link to in the description. It comes with a nice little thing here. It is beefy. I love that. Like, I'm not mad at you if you're going to produce a good product. I'm mad at you when you produce a product that's supposed to work and does not. This guy works with an S20 Ultra, which is heavy. It's holding the phone perfectly. There's absolutely no issues with this. And dude, I'm not mad at you. Good job. I'm going to have to give this a good review. So look, so I raise up, yeah, so I move it this way, no issues, it doesn't tilt, doesn't, and I'm literally holding this by the tripod, so I'm holding it by the legs. This is, okay, some people, I guess this would be annoying, like if you're doing selfie stuff. It's a little heavy, I'd say it's a couple of pounds, but dude, I mean, work on your biceps, whatever. So, oh, this is so much better. And I'll be able to set this thing up and actually, you know, shoot myself doing products and things like that. So I think maybe tomorrow I'll be able to do a nice new video. I've got one planned, so I'll probably shoot it with that. But there's the different tripods you can get. And so you can extend this guy pretty far, 62 inches. So you can do selfie stick. I don't think I'll ever do that. I think the maximum I need is like maybe what it is right now. I don't really do a lot of selfie stuff, and I think if I do, I think I'll set it up like a tripod and just sit back and do like a nice presentation with it. So I'm going to put a link to the description in the description for this guy, and I hope you guys try it if you're into using your camera for video. I mean, let's take it out here. Uh-oh. We might have a he Karen showing up for Motorbike Boy. But yeah, this thing is awesome. That's what it looks like in Florida at 71 degrees. There's the beamer. Nice. I'm stoked. Now today, I actually ordered a video card, finally. So I've got a video card coming for editing, which I'm really happy about because I've been struggling with my existing machine. I haven't really had a decent graphics card to do video editing, so I ordered a Quadro, and that should be here any minute. So I'm stoked about that and doing a video about that and getting that installed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Check out this tripod though, it's bomb.